Hey guys, what's up? It's Annie. Today I am in Sedona, Arizona. This is one of my favorite spots on the West Coast. It is just gorgeous, serene, peaceful, just has a great vibe to it. I'm here for a couple days with my mom and we're staying at the Hilton right here in Sedona, and it is a pretty impressive hotel. We have stayed here before and we really enjoy it. So I wanted to take you guys around the hotel, show you around, show you our room if you want to stay here. So let's go do that. All right, so before we trash the joint, I want to show you the room. No, we're not going to trash the joint, but you know what I'm saying. What'd you say? Oh yeah, mom says I need to show you our interesting toilet. All right. So when you first walk in, there's a bathroom on your right, and I'll show you that, but let's go forward first. This is a huge room. We do not really need this space, but we have it. Oh look, we have a safe, Mom, your favorite.
Oh yes, I like a safe.
A safe, an iron, an ironing board, big closet, full-length mirror. Hello. A little table here. We got a fridge, which I have Diet Pepsis to put in, so I'm excited about that. We have a coffee maker. Will you actually use this coffee maker?
Yes.
Okay. Got a sink, Mom's favorite ice bucket. What do you like more, an ice bucket or a safe?
I think probably a nice bucket.
Okay, Mom's #1 item. And then we got a microwave. What do we have in here? Lots of cabinets. Look at the pictures above the little kitchen.
Yeah, that's very pretty.
They're like gemstones. Very cool. So then we have the whole living room area. I feel like I need some more lights, so let's turn some on. We actually just changed rooms. Originally, we were in the room directly, how do you turn on lights? We were in the room directly to the left of us, but the view was kind of weird. We were like watching people in the hot tub. I don't know if you can see them. We're now on the room to the right of where we were supposed to be staying, but we don't look at the people in the hot tub anymore. So that's cool. Here we have a fireplace, TV, very nice, huge area. We don't really need this much space, but we have it. Now we also have this balcony. And again, before our balcony was overlooking the hot tub and we thought that was a little creepy. So now our balcony overlooks, oh, we kind of have a view. Oh my gosh, we have a view. Okay, well, that was unexpected. That's gorgeous. Oh, this is exciting. Wow, so we actually have a view in someone's house, but that's cool. And then again, there is the pool and the hot tub. We're also staying in 2076, in case you're wondering. But yeah, so this is the main room. And then we have the bedroom. We have 2 queen beds, one for Mom, one for me. It's a pretty nice room. Oh, this view is, this view is good. This is the view I just showed you from the balcony, but in our bedroom. Whoa! That's a nice thing to wake up to. Did you just see the bird go by? That was majestic. But yeah, here is the bedroom. Seems pretty cozy. Mom already has her luggage set up. We got our TV. And then we have a whole nother closet here. I love closets. Oh no, Mom's blocking it with her suitcase. Hold on. What do we got in here? Another full-length mirror. And then extra linens, a ton of hangers. Thank you very much. All right, Mom just saw the new view and she's very impressed. That is a whole different view than what we had. Very nice. Okay, now I'm going to show you our interesting bathroom. Here is our toilet, which is very close to the bed. So, you know, in the middle of the night, if you have the urge, right there. Ooh, very nice artwork in this room. Got some hooks. Let's see. We got a nice shower. Where is the light? Light. Ah, there we go, light. Oh, I like the shower. Nice shower head. Very nice. It's a big tub. That's awesome. Very nice. We have some Crabtree and Evelyn verbena and lavender soap. Whoa, we hit the Crabtree and Evelyn jackpot. Mom actually, well, no, you actually don't use Crabtree and Evelyn anymore. But yeah, you'll use it in this case because it's included. Oh, these are nice. I'm actually gonna wash my hair with these. That is awesome. I like the mirror in here too. It's very nice. Yeah, it's a huge bathroom actually. It's really long. I think it was good that we changed rooms. I don't know, there's something about this setup that I like a lot better.
This is a much better setup.
Yeah.
I mean, just the fact that you have that view of the mountains.
Yeah, the view of the mountains. Way better than the view of the hot tub. Then in each of the rooms, they have a schedule of different activities that are going on. I saw this when we were checking in at the front desk, and I am definitely going to the yoga tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., sunrise yoga. We stayed here in the past, and I don't remember all these activities, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, they have an in-room dining menu. Mom is excited about that because she likes some in-room dining. Oh, I love the lights out here. This is really nice. I feel like I remember sitting out here when we stayed here before. Ooh, look how pretty the clouds are right now. So nice. Oh, look at the little splash pad. Oh, this is so nice at night. Wow. I love the colorful towels. Oh, this is, wow. Oh, so there's a bar out here, tons of seating. This is so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Look, there's a basketball hoop in the water. I like this. They even have a Connect 4 game right here. Cute. I kind of want to play that. You want to get one of those? What is it called?
It's a branch.
You could probably just get that in your backyard, but it's cool. I like the doors for the gift shop. Whoa. All the designs of these hotels now are so fun. This is the lobby. This is so cool. There's the check-in desks. And then they have another area over here, I guess just a hangout area. This is so much fun. I love the design because it's not matchy-matchy, but it's coordinated. Oh, I love that light fixture. It's so cool. Oh, wow. Some cozy seating if you want to watch some CNN. Some computers. This is like the nicest little computer area. Mom and I are at the Shadow Rock restaurant in the hotel, and we're gonna get some dinner. What looks good to you?
Pan-seared scallops.
Ooh, yeah, you should definitely get that. I'm gonna get the filet mignon. We're going bougie tonight. We're going real bougie. Just a steak sounds awesome. These desserts are the most interesting to me though, because they're really unique dessert. They also have salads, ooh, some snacks to share, and then some sides. Oh, this is the s'mores, Mom. Fire pit s'mores kit.
Or you can get some more skillet.
Yeah. It's the little things that Mom and I love, like the water that comes in the milk jug and my Diet Coke that comes in a mason jar. So cute.
Here we go, ladies.
Thank you.
Some wine for you.
Ooh, that's a lot of wine.
There you go.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
This smells so good. Let me see yours.
This looks amazing.
Wow.
With asparagus.
Those are huge. That's like a whole scallop. Wait.
No, this is
Oh.
like I got like fish.
Oh, I thought you got scallops.
No, I'm
Oh.
thinking mine.
Oh, that looks incredible. Whoa.
Because this came with potatoes and
Yeah, it's always nice when it comes with potatoes. My food was so good that I completely cleared my plate. I can't tell you the last time I did this. This is awesome. I love these doors right here that separate the bar from the restaurant here. And they have tons of seating outside that people have been sitting at. We're thinking about going outside and using one of the fire pits to make s'mores, but we're not sure. Mom just got the s'mores skillet. The presentation is everything in this. And then what did I get? The cinnamon roll, what's it called again? The cinnamon roll something.
I don't know.
But look at that. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. I love the presentation. Look at the Hershey's. You can see it like melted in.
Oh, and the marshmallow.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's excellent.
This is the lounge over here. How cute is it? I like the little globe. And they have a map of Sedona up here. And then their happy hour specials. I think I definitely want the prickly pear margarita at some point. And then here is the bar, and then past the bar is the restaurant that we were sitting in. And then again, outside are more tables. Oh my gosh, it's a huge game of Scrabble. That is so cool. I've never seen this before. And then there's all sorts of pieces in here to play Scrabble. Wow. How fun is that, guys? Never seen that. And then they have massive, massive TVs here. This would be great for a football game. I would be down with this. So Mom and I just ate at Shadow Rock and we give it 2 thumbs up. Super, super yummy. We love it. I don't know what this hand is doing, but we love it. Mom is trying to break into the gift shop right now. She's checking out the hat selection. This is what we do at night. Look at all the floppy hats. Oh, now they have the fires going. Wow. I don't know, those fires are a little wild for me. Like some wild fires there. Look how cute this is. Oh yeah, there's some people in the hot tub. Okay, we won't be creepers. This is really nice. How pretty at night. We have found the guest laundry. It is just off the lobby. We're on the 2nd floor. Washers and dryers are free, which is nice. Look at that morning sun coming over the mountains. So pretty. I think this is the way to the spa to go to the morning yoga. We are hoping. Look at this other pool that they have here. It's a lap pool. So pretty. That's awesome. And I think we're doing yoga up here, which is cool. The floppy hats are outside, Mom. They're calling our name. You could also get one of these walking sticks. It's really cute with the bow. It's cute. Oh my gosh, you need to get it. It's really cute with the bow on the back. Mom, look at this jewelry. Look how cute.
You want me to get you some jewelry?
I don't know, I kind of might need something.
Beautiful.
They're really pretty.
How are you doing today?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Let's see
I wanted to show you guys the outside of the hotel. The lobby is straight ahead and then there are rooms to the left and all the way to the right. And then they have a pink Jeep right here on the rocks, which is a little strange, but it's advertising for the tours. You are surrounded by mountains here. It's so pretty right now. Look at those clouds, they're so fluffy. But yeah, you just have mountains all over. Really pretty. Hey guys, thanks for watching the vlog. I'm gonna link a video above and below of Montezuma Castle. It's a place that's really close to this hotel and it's pretty awesome. So you might wanna check it out while you're visiting Sedona. But until the next vlog, bye guys.